Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into tools and gadgets to help you make informed buying decisions.
Today, we're looking at one of the best groove cutters for Trex deck boards available on the market, the Trex router bit.
Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, this tool promises to streamline your deck building process with its precision and durability. The Trex router bit is designed exclusively for non-groove Trex deck boards, making it a perfect match for those looking to achieve a seamless, hidden fastener installation. Crafted from stainless steel, it ensures superior durability, capable of withstanding the rigors of outdoor use.
Stainless steel construction ensures longevity and resistance to corrosion. Specifically engineered for groove cutting in Trex deck boards. Facilitates easy installation of hidden fasteners, enhancing the overall aesthetic of your deck. Speeds up the deck building process with precise groove cuts. Achieves a clean, seamless look without visible fasteners. Stainless steel build ensures years of reliable performance. Let me show you how easy it is to use the Trex router bit. First, ensure your Trex deck boards are securely fastened. Then, simply attach the router bit to your power tool of choice. With smooth, steady motions, guide the bit along the edge of the board, creating a perfect groove for your fasteners. The result? A professional finish that enhances both the appearance and durability of your deck. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable groove cutter specifically tailored for Trex deck boards, the Trex router bit is an excellent choice. Its stainless steel construction, ease of use, and ability to create seamless, hidden fastener installations make it a standout tool for deck building projects of any scale. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and tool recommendations. Have you used the Trex router bit before? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy building!